What's up, guys? We're here today with the Kazuma Jaguar 500L, L for the long chassis, and just doing some services on it, since there is almost no information about how to do the service for this one, what's the capacities, what oils to use. So let's go through it. It's a quad, so we have four-wheeler. The rear differential oil already changed. It was disgusting. It has 3,000 kilometers on the clock, by the way. So what to do, how to change the rear differential oil. You have to the right side here first. We have the level plug and filling plug here. Pretty easy to take off. And then the drain plug is under that differential. I have a mud cover, so you have to take the mud cover off if you have one, and just open the screw down straight forward. Oil out, new oil in. Now for the front one, it's a little more challenging, since you have to do several things. There is a winch here in the front of the front differential, so the winch has to come out, which has two bolts, one here in this left side, like where I'm sitting now. It's the left side, the left wheel. Here is one bolt here and the other bolt here, 30 millimeters. Both of them you have to go from down here. You just take them off, two bolts. Then you have that winch out, not totally out from the car. You just move it a little forward. Bring this plastic here and move it a little forward. Then you have that level plug in the middle. You can see it right there. It is right there, exactly. Yes, this is the level plug. Fine. The drain plug is straightforward. You just take it from, you take this metal plate, and then you look down here. Let's go. You look down here, and there is a 14 millimeter bolt, just straight down the differential. Here is it. You can see it. You can know that this is the drain plug. It's a 14 millimeters. That other plug, the level plug, is a 10 millimeters bolt. So you take it out. Then you want to fill it. How to fill it is from the breather. You take the breather bolt out. You take the whole bolt out, not just the rubber. You take the bolt out and then you fill it. And I did use oil motor, since of course I have everything in handy. Oil motor, which have a small hose in the entrance here. There is a small hose, so this goes in ease in the differential. They are cheap to buy. It's always good to have one in your hand. So after filling that, you just put everything back. Now for the engine oil. The engine oil is 4 strokes 1040 I'm using, APISG JSOMA, and the differentials, both front and rear, it's recommended to put 8590. I'm using 8090. And now for the engine oil. Since I have a mud cover, it's a little hard to go through it, but let's see. In the middle of the engine here, so here is the clutch, the brake pedal, sorry, and just straight down you can see the middle of the engine. And this is a 15 millimeters bolt. This is the drain plug. The filling plug and level plug it's this one, of course, you know, straightforward. Take it out, fill it and check. And the oil filter, which have a little weird number. If you want the original one, then you can get it, but you know, it's not better than the ones you have in the market. which fits on that is actually a Toyota RAV or Previa or several Suzuki's filter. I got this filter, Do 7 2020, and you can check out this number, AMC filters Do 7 2020. Then you will get the OEM number, and you just buy whatever kind of filter. It also had that the old filter was an MH, which saved me actually time to just find something to fit. It was MH 3350 from M Filters. So you just buy whatever brand is there, Bosch or Wix or whatever kind of brand that works for you, for your pocket, and you can just find it in your market. Now for the capacities, the rear differential 350 to 400 milliliter. It was little under 400 milliliters. The front one, it's about 600, little under 600 milliliters. So basically 1 liter of those should be enough for both the front and rear. So that gear oil or differential oil, 1 liter should be enough for both. For engine oil, I just filled it up. So oil and filter, we have 5 liters. Here is 4, here is 3, and little under 3. So it's 2.2. Both engine and filters, 2.2 liters. So that's all. Small services, annual services, that hopefully it makes it easier for you guys to do your Kazuma or whatever, that if you have the same engine. I think it's on about 3 ATVs. They use the same engine. I can't tell which ones. I don't remember. Maybe a Lin High engine have the same filters and same work. But anyway, for that Kazuma 500, this is some useful information that it was hard for me to locate every piece of them and just look around. Especially the front one, it was really tricky one to find the plugs for it. Hope you find this helpful, guys. Thank you.